I was trying to create a YouTube thumbnail in Canva and I discovered something interesting and I felt to share with you. So now, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, you don't need a professional designer. With Canva AI, you can do that with ease. Let me show you how. So here I'm going to type in my prompt, describe my idea. I want to design a YouTube thumbnail with the topic or with the title. Let's go with title. Top 5 Canva tools every teacher should know. So this is my thumbnail. I mean my description. So I'm going to click on this plus icon to apply my brand kit. I want it to apply my brand kit. So I'm just going to type in my brand kit name and then get it in here. So I've added my brand kit name, my brand kit, so that whatever it is designing will stay on brand. It will use my brand colors for the design, my brand font. Now this is my description with my brand kit in here. I'll just go ahead and click on submit and let's see what it will give us. So if you are someone who is constantly creating YouTube videos, you no longer need to stress yourself or get a professional designer to design it for you. You can just use this Canva AI to get your thumbnail ready. Let's see what it will give us. So it's generating. So here it is. So this is my brand color. This is the brand color for Teach Smart. We have this is our yellow and our blue. Now we have different design suggestions to choose from. So this is what it gave us. I can choose any of these. Let me go with this. I think I like this one. I'll click on it. Now this is where it gets more interesting. I can I can edit this text here. Instead of going into Canva editor to edit it, I can edit it right here by clicking on it and then typing in whatever I want. Let's say there was a mistake in the title. Maybe I no longer want to use this title. I can delete this title and insert any other title that I want. But I think I like this title, so I'm just going to leave it at that. Another interesting thing it did is that it added a subtitle for me, simplifying your teaching experience. It added a subtitle for me. Now, if I no long I know I don't like this video it added, I mean the image on the background. If I don't like this image, I can come here and search for image inspiration. I can just type in teachers or image of teachers. Let's just use teachers. And then it will go into Canva Elements to search for the stock photos there. So these images are from the Canva Element pictures. So these are the images here. I can choose from any of these. If I don't like any of these, I can also upload my own picture. I can also upload so these are the images I uploaded recently. Let's go back to here. I can choose any of these and then it will automatically replace the background. If I go with this one, you see, let's go back. Like I saw this earlier when I was trying to design the thumbnail for a video I posted earlier, and I was amazed. And I thought, oh, why not tell your people? That's why I'm making this video. So if you're someone who is constantly creating videos, don't worry about your thumbnail. With Canva AI, it is easy, fast, and simple. I can change this as well. I can change this to this picture here. I can also change the color. I can go here, click on this color icon here and change the colors. If you click on any color palette here, it will shuffle the colors. If I click on this one, this is what I have. If I click on this, it will shuffle. It will shuffle. If you want more colors, you just click on the icon here to to scroll and see more colors. So this is interesting. This is really, really a game changer in this 2026 that you want to create lots of videos. You no longer need to spend time, waste time creating thumbnail. Just get your description into Canva AI and it will do the magic for you. I hope you found value. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so that you can get more of these interesting tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in my next tutorial.